guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm gonna show you how to balayage your hair at home. As you can see here, my hair on the roots grow the gray hair, and my natural hair is kind of curly, so I did straightening my hair. Don't have to be perfect straight, but at least make you easier to applying the hair color. Covering the gray hair first on the roots here, I will use L'Oreal Excellence Cream Triple Protection Color Ceramide Pro Keratin Collagen 100% Resistant Gray Coverage. This is important. Rich radiant color revitalized hair. So this is step 1. And step 2, for the highlighting type of L'Oreal cut of Féria Absolute Platinum Advanced Lightening System lightens up to 7 levels anti-brush conditioner. You also will need some of hair clips like this, and this type of hair clip is very strong to hold your hair, or like this. You will need a hair comb, hair brush, and hair brush like this. You'll also need a plastic bowl to mix the bleach. Also, you have to use the pre-treatment serum protector. At the end of hair. First, because this part is that usually will damage first, so kind of breakable. And then I'm going to show you how to parting the hair. Here on top of your ears, go all the way back. As you can see here, my hair is kind of dark when you grow. In the middle of your eyebrow. To the top of your head. You can give it to 2 parts like this. So this is the parting. All done. Now let's mix the product. So I will mix the part 1 with the part 2. This is for the roots. This is very important part. You have to mix it very well. Then part 2. We'll mix this on the bowl because we're gonna apply with the brush, so we need a bowl to mix it. It's a bleach, so you have to put your gloves on to make sure not irritate your skin. The tube 3. Alright, now all set. Put any towel in your shoulder, if you can. First step is applying the roots first. Right? It's important if you start from the middle, even though you like to, so it's easier for you to change your style of your hair. And then start the bleach. Just a little bit first. And then at the side, and then in the middle to the end. So you always can mix it with your hand like this. With the side, with the roots again. Important to check the front part here while you're covering the gray hair. know, unfortunate for my hair, lots of work, but it's worth it. Double it. Part you can just put in your palm and mix it like that.
I know I should have done this, should have quit this long ago.
Sorry, I missed this part. As you can see already, the result. Hey Google, set the alarm for 30 minutes.
5:09 p.m. Set.
So I set the alarm for 30 minutes while I'm checking one by one. Hey Google, stop. 30 minutes guys, time for me to wash my hair, and I will use this Excellence conditioner treatment. So I'll be back. Are you ready for the final result? So this is Balayage and cover my gray hair for years. I hope you guys enjoy the video encouraging you to dye your hair at home. Make sure you click that subscribe button and the notification. Also comment below if you have any tips you could share. I love you so much guys, and thank you for watching. And I'll see you soon.